My dear students of class 6, I am going to start chapter 6, name of chapter, Introduction to Algebra, worksheet 6, question number 1. Subtract 3x from 5x. For the solution of this question, we write required difference equals to 5x minus 3x. After from, we write first. Before from, we write after negative sign. Here plus minus minus we do minus 5x minus 3x 2x. Since absolute value of 5 is more than absolute value of minus 3, so we write the sign of 5x and it is plus sign, so here is plus. So this is the answer of question number 1a. 1b, subtract 4a from 3a. For the solution of this question, we write required difference equals to 3a minus 4a. After from, we write first. Before from, we write after negative sign. So 3a, we write first and 4a after negative sign. So here plus minus minus, we do minus 3a, 4a minus 3a equals to a. And since absolute value of minus 4 is more than absolute value of 3, so we write sign of 4a and so it is negative sign. So the answer is minus a. Now question number C. Subtract 13x square from x square. For the solution of this question, we write required difference equals to x square minus 13x square. After from, we write first. So x square should be written first. And before from, we write 13x square after negative sign. So plus minus minus, we do minus 13x square minus x square is equal to 12x square. And since minus 13 has absolute value more than 1, absolute value of 1, so we write the sign of 13x square. So sign is negative, so we write here negative sign. So answer of question number 1C is minus 12x square. Question number D. Subtract minus y from 3y. For the solution of this question, we write required difference equals to after from, we write first. Before from, we write after negative sign. So here we write 3y. For negative sign, for subtraction, we write minus. And before from, since it is minus y, so we put minus y in bracket because minus is already present here. So this can be written 3y minus minus plus y. Now plus plus plus, we do plus 3y plus 1y, 4y. Both are plus, sign is plus. So answer is 4y and this is the answer of question number 1D. 1E. Subtract minus 7a from minus 3a. Required difference equals to minus 3a minus 7a and this minus 7a should be in bracket. After from, we write first. So minus 3a should be written first. Before from, we write after negative sign. So we write minus of minus 7a. Now this can be written minus 3a minus minus plus 7a. Now minus plus minus, we do minus 7a minus 3a, 4a. Since absolute value of plus 7 is more than absolute value of minus 3, so we write the sign of positive sign. So here it should be plus sign and plus sign is hidden, so we write only 4a and this is the answer of question number 1E. Question number 1F. Subtract 3abc from minus 3abc. For the solution of this question, we write required difference equals to minus 3abc minus 3abc. After from, we write first. So minus 3abc should be written first. Before from, we write after negative sign. So we write minus 3abc. Now here minus minus plus, we do plus 3abc plus 3abc, 6abc. Both are minus, So we write minus here. So answer of question number 1, F is equal to minus 6ABC. Now question number 2, subtract by column method. A, 3x plus 2y from 2x plus 3y. After from, we write in first line. Before from, we write in the second line. So for the solution of this question, we write 2x plus 3y in first line and 3x plus 2y in the second line. Now we change the sign of the second line. So here 2y has plus sign, we write minus sign. 3x has plus sign, we write minus sign. Now column wise, this is first column and this is second column. First we do first column. Plus, minus, minus, we do minus. 3x minus 2x, 1x. 1 is hidden, so no need to write here. So we write minus x. Since absolute value of minus 3 is more than absolute value of 2, so we write sign of 3x. And so it is minus, we write here minus. Now plus, minus, minus, we do minus. 2y is subtracted from 3y, we write 1y. 1 is hidden, so no need to write here. Since absolute value of plus 3 is more than absolute value of minus 2, so we write the sign of greater absolute value. So sign of 3y is plus, so we write here plus. So required difference equals to minus x plus y. This is the answer of question number 2a. Now question number 2b, subtract a square plus 2b square from 3b square minus 4a square. After from, we write first line, and before from, we write in the second line. So for the solution of this question, we write minus 4a square plus 3b square. And here in the second line, a square plus 2b square, maintaining like terms, a square like terms, b square like terms separately. Now we subtract column wise. In first column, minus 4a square, and here a square, the sign of a square is changed and now it is minus. So minus, minus, plus, we do plus. 4 plus 1, 5. 5a square, both are minus, sign is minus. Now here in the second column, 3b square has plus sign, 2b square has minus sign. Since plus sign is changed to minus sign, so we see only changing sign. So plus, minus, minus, we do plus. 2b square subtracted from 3b square, we write 1b square. No need to write 1. 1 is already hidden here. So we write plus b square. Absolute value of plus 3 is more than absolute value of minus 2. Therefore, we write the sign of 3b square. It has plus sign, so we write here plus sign. So required difference is equal to minus 5a square plus b square. Now question number C. Subtract 5x square y minus 3xy square from minus 2x square y plus 4xy square. After from, we write in the first line. Before from, we write in the second line. So for the solution of this question, we write minus 2x square y plus 4xy square in the first line and 5x square y minus 3xy square in the second line. Now we change the sign of second line. It has minus, so we write plus, and 5x square y has plus sign, we write minus. Now we do not see these signs, minus and this plus. We see this plus sign and this minus sign of the second line. Now in the first column, minus, minus, plus, we do plus 2x square plus 5x square is equal to 7x square y. Now both are minus, sign is minus. Now here plus, 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 we do plus. 4xy square plus 3xy square is equal to 7xy square. Both are plus, sign is plus. Therefore, required difference equals to minus 7x square y plus 7xy square. This is the answer of question number 2C. Now 2D. Subtract 2a minus 3b plus 5 from 5a minus b minus 2. After from, we write in the first line. Before from, we write in the second line. So 5a minus b minus 2 in the first line and 2a minus 3b plus 5 in the second line. Now we change the sign of second line. It is plus, so it is changed to minus. It is minus, changed to plus. It is plus, changed to minus. Now there are three columns. First column, second column, third column. Now we solve first column. 5a plus sign, 2a is here minus sign. Plus minus minus, we do minus. 2a subtracted from 5a, we get 3a. Since absolute value of 5 is more than absolute value of minus 2, so we write the sign of 5a, and it has plus sign, so we write plus sign 3a. So here plus is hidden, so no need to write. First term has already plus sign. Now for the second line, minus plus minus, we do minus. 3b minus 1b, 2b. Since absolute value of plus 3 is more than absolute value of minus 1, so we write the sign of 3b minus 3b, and it is minus. So since it is plus, so we write plus sign. 3b has plus sign, so we write plus sign here. Minus minus plus, we do plus. 5 plus 2, 7. Both are minus, sign is minus. Therefore, required difference equals to 3a plus 2b minus 7. This is the answer of question number 2D. And question number 2E. Subtract p plus q minus r from minus p minus q minus r. For the solution of this question, we write minus p minus q minus r in the first line because it is after from, and p plus q minus r in the second line because it is before from. Now we change the sign of second line. R has minus, change to plus. Q has plus, change to minus. P has plus sign, change to minus sign. Now there are three columns, so we first solve first column. Minus minus plus, we do plus. 1 plus 1, 2, 2p. Both are minus, sign is minus. Minus minus plus, we do plus. 1q, 1q, 2q, both are minus, sign is minus. Here plus minus minus, 1 minus 1, 0, so we cut this one. So the answer is required difference equals to minus 2p minus 2q. Now question number 2f. Subtract aq plus bq minus 3abc from minus aq plus bq plus 3abc. For the solution of this question, we write minus aq plus bq plus 3abc in the first line because it is after from, and a cube plus b cube minus 3abc in the second line. Now we change the sign of second line. 3abc has minus sign, change to plus. B cube has plus sign, we change to minus. And a cube has plus sign, we change to minus. Now there are three columns, so we first solve first column. So minus minus plus, we do plus. 1a cube, 1 cube, 2a cube, both are minus, sign is minus. Here plus minus minus, we do minus. 1 minus 1, 0. So we cut these terms, b plus b cube minus b cube. And here plus plus plus, we do plus. 3ab is 3bc, 6abc, both are plus, sign is plus. Therefore required difference equals to minus 2a cube plus 6abc. This is the answer of question number 2f. This is the last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.